Hello, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections. Performing a home inspection out here in Bellevue today. I want to point out an attic here. Some of the crazy things we find during the home inspection. As we enter this attic, move the hatch out of the way. When we come up here, we'll turn on the light. Lucky for us, they got a light up here for us. They have closed off a little room up here in the attic space, other than one little access point here. And another access point right over there to get actually into the attic space. Who knows what they're using this little room for? A little kid's hideout or something like that. But I just want to point some of the crazy things we find during the home inspection. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.